Alright, hello and welcome. This is the second video displaying my progress for this assignment in Comp 3512. In this assignment, we simply take Spotify data from a database and we display it on a website and then just present it in a fashionable sense. So, since last time I made quite a bit of progress. Can't remember if this was here before, but basically all these work apart from still. Oh no, I do remember this. Yeah, the one hit wonder still has to be fixed in terms of the actual query. Homepage I haven't really touched, but if we go into the song search page, this has significant progress. Before it was basically just a flat page with nothing in it. Now, if we interact with it, you'll see that this now has a slider. I might change this again, we'll see. But there's actual functionality. You can do queries now that actually work. So let's say you wanted to select an artist from here. I don't know, you're really big into Ed Sheeran. Let's do that. So you select that with the radio button, and you pick that guy. Boom, you query that. And then all of Ed Sheeran's songs will show up in this page, which is my search results page. You'll notice here. And then from here, let's say you wanted to see information about a specific song. So let's say this perfect song, right? Perfect. So you go over here, and then data is displayed from this. And it's the duration of it, what kind of genre it's from, analysis data. So like relative to others, this song is very popular. Other songs within the database, the BPM, it's all interpreted. So a certain value will give, information about it, such as its tempo, speed, how energetic it is, the danceability, liveness. Pretty much all these fields are interpreted, meaning that instead of having a static value like this, it doesn't have much context. You actually have, something to give you context surrounding what it means. They're not all accurate, like balance. I don't think this, if I remember correctly, this song doesn't really have a sad mood, but it's all interpreted again. Speechiness, all that. Let's go back. So if we go back, we can, I don't know, take another song by Ed Sheeran. Boom, it'll all show. And you'll notice if we change the song ID in the query up here, boom, it'll change the song according to the song ID parameter. So that's pretty cool. What else? Yeah, so again, in terms of this, this stuff over here was so difficult. I can't even, in terms of figuring out like how to bring the forms together, because these are two separate forms, right? The advanced search form is a separate one from the basic song search. The year values have to be interpreted differently than those in the than those over here in the rest of the basic song search. So I just had to write a bunch of functions to really interpret this properly. Even the between one, and I don't know why I made this 1950, but let's just say 2016 to 2020 for the betweens. It'll give me all the songs there. Oh well, maybe not this one. This one still has to be worked on. You'll see some of them still write the query up there. I do believe if I take a greater than or less than value, it should work. So if I say 2020, or I guess we would want to have let's say 2010, right? I'll bring up all the songs in this database, because all of them are from like 2016 to 2019, and you'll see huge. All right, all of this, all brought back. And again, for any of these, they all have links. It'll display, it'll go over here. So, still gonna add navigation and all that, but in terms of the actual display, I feel like I'm pretty satisfied with this. Just with like how it looks. I kind of want to bring the website look together more though. This page looks nothing like the other one, there's still a lot of checking that I have to do. I have to check a lot of values. But yeah, does this bring all of them up again? No, it doesn't. Okay. Lovely. Khalid. All that. I might switch this up terms of analysis data, I might make like a separate card for each one of them. It really depends on how I'm feeling, what I want to do with this, but at this point, fair bit of progress in terms of this project, and I'm pretty happy with where it's at. In terms of code, well, it's all on my GitHub, but I guess I really shouldn't put it over there. I guess maybe I should make it public. I don't know. I don't really care if people look at what I'm doing, but it's on my GitHub, and yeah, it's quite, some of this stuff is quite convoluted, I guess. Like, you really need to dive into the code to understand what the hell I'm doing. I'm gonna keep on writing more information about my functions, like what means what, like what does get song by field mean, you know. I mean, here it kind of explains it, but give it a little bit more detail. But yeah, this my god, this part of it took me so long in terms of actually figuring out how to get these forms to work, how to kind of do a search flow, right? So we got our entries, but we need to give it something. We need to figure out if it's what kind of form we're using, what kind of values we're given, a lot of stuff. So yeah, my next update on this will probably be fairly close to the end. I'm expecting to be done this project within the next week or so. So yeah, thanks for listening.